Hello, I'm Ellie Gordon, the founder of Eat Out Roundabout, and it's an absolute pleasure to have you on board with our Wakefield trials. There's two objectives with Eat Out Roundabout. One is to help you to find new ways to innovate to improve your business, and the second is to create a direct benefit to the local hospitality economy. So this video is here to help you get set up and running once you've purchased your vouchers. So the first thing that will happen when you purchase your vouchers is you'll be directed to your My Account page and then the vouchers and campaigns. So next you'll be directed to the vouchers and campaigns portal where you'll enter your mobile number and you'll receive a code via your mobile which you need to enter to proceed. So once you land in your vouchers and campaigns portal, then you'll see a list of the vouchers that you've purchased. But before I walk you through the campaign creation, what I'd like to do first is just highlight a couple of things about the vouchers and campaigns. So why did we decide to create the campaigns as part of the Eat Out Roundabout programme? Well, the first thing was that we wanted to get vouchers into circulation. But we wanted to do that in a way that would boost local businesses and create innovative ways to reach business goals. So it might be things like maybe you want to reach more customers, maybe you want to create a marketing campaign, or maybe you want to give your staff who've been locked down for several months a little bit of a boost, and then you can create a staff campaign. So you can decide which campaign suits your use case the best. And through this trial, we'll look to see how you've used the campaigns and how they've helped your business. The second thing to highlight here then is that this portal is very much a minimum viable product. And the exciting thing about you being part of these trials is that you can decide which bits you like, what you don't like, what if this system could create this or could work in this way. We'd love to get your feedback, and as part of the trials we'll be asking your feedback on what we can do to this portal and the vouchers programme in order to improve Eat Out Roundabout as a platform for local businesses. So then, going through how to create a campaign. So you've got this panel, which is issue vouchers, and then you create your campaign. And then you've got the option, how would you like to use your vouchers? So you can decide, I want to market and reach new customers because I want customers on the Eat Out Roundabout platform to discover my business and eat out. And customer retention is a way to utilise the vouchers to distribute them to people so they can claim their voucher from you, but not necessarily market through the platform. And then the third type of campaign is employee gift. And what that means is you can decide if you want to issue these to employees, and we help you to identify and facilitate the campaign based on whether you would like them to be subject to tax and national insurance, or whether you would like to receive the benefits offered by the Inland Revenue on gifts for employees. It's very simple to create a campaign. You just choose the type of campaign that you want to create. So let's choose employee gift. And you can choose, I want to give an employee a gift, or I want to make it for performance. The key difference here is an employee gift can be a trivial benefit. So it can be free of tax and national insurance if it complies with certain rules, and we help you to achieve that. If it's a performance-based reward, it simply attracts tax and national insurance. So that's if you're giving a reward for doing a good job or on a particular skill set, or that they've done something which isn't just a gift just for being a nice employer. It's about the actual end goal meets a specific business objective. So let's look at employee gift then. So you decide to create your campaign. So it might be, let's say, Easter gift campaign for staff. And then you can limit the campaign to comply with HMRC trivial benefits rules. So as part of the programme, we've been working with Garbutt and Elliott to identify trivial benefit rules and how you can comply with the rules through this program, and to help you to not fall foul of those rules. So what you can do is limit the campaign to comply with HMRC trivial benefits. And what that means is, because it's a trivial benefit, the maximum number of vouchers per user that your employees can claim is 7. And that's because the trivial benefit rules stipulate you can't give a gift to employees which has a value of over £50. If it's over £50, then it is subject to tax and national insurance. You then decide the start date and end date of your campaign. So let's say for the sake of Easter, we'll run it until just the week after Easter. Give them something so they can decide to claim that campaign from that campaign between these dates. Anything that isn't claimed in that time will then simply be returned back to your account, and you can reallocate those vouchers to a new campaign. So then you can then decide to create a message. So you might say Happy Easter, or you can select from personalised messages that you might want to include, and that includes their name. And then you can choose a logo. So you just can pick a logo and upload it and create your campaign. So I'm going to show you a campaign I've already created. So you can see we ran the trials in Wakefield, and these were the campaigns. So we've got a campaign name, we've got a start date and an end date. We've got the maximum claim per user. It's not showing on here actually, so that needs to be resolved. And then we've got a message which is thanks for testing our claim process. So by the time you're watching this video, you'll see you can download a QR code, and that will be put into an Eat Out Roundabout poster, which you can distribute electronically hold it on your phone. And anyone with an Eat Out Roundabout app can then add voucher, scan your code and claim their voucher into their app. So perhaps if you've got a staff notice board, that's an easy way to distribute. Or perhaps if you have a business where customers come in and you'd like them to scan, maybe a hairdresser's, you could get your customer to scan that code and say thanks for your loyalty. So the other thing that the way to distribute it is through this link. So you can literally copy and paste that link, and you could send that via text or via an email, and then your customers can claim their voucher directly into their app. So that explains the claim breakdown, and then you've got the list of the people that have redeemed. Obviously, I've been busy claiming this voucher. And then that means that your customers can then go out and redeem and eat out, or your staff can go out and eat out. So that covers the basis of it. But what I would say is, wherever you go into a campaign, so issue the vouchers and create a campaign, if you're ever at a point and you want to understand, you've got step-by-step instructions that you can follow. So I hope that's given you an overview of the vouchers and campaigns. There's just a couple of points here to highlight that if you get stuck at all, you've got a help section down here on the right-hand side. So what that means is you can contact our help desk at any point, and you've got access to further resources to answer any questions if you're stuck on anything at all. If you're running into any technical difficulties, you can feed that back through the help, and then we'll get right back in contact with you. So I hope that's covered everything. Any questions, then do reach out to us, support at Eat Out Roundabout, and we hope you have a lot of success creating your campaigns. And if there's anything we can help with, then just shout. Thank you very much.